Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, then welcome. I am Cassio91 and today I am going to use the rubber band method to put in some crochet passion twist. So if that's what you came to see, then stay tuned. Alright, so this company on Amazon reached out to me to try some of their crochet passion twist, and I'm just going to do a simple unboxing for y'all. And so it comes with about 6 packs, I believe. 6 packs like these with about 20 strands in a pack. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 of these, and they're 18 inches long in a pack. And I believe I have 6 packs. Let's make sure. So I have 6 packs. 3, 4, 5, and then the one that I opened. So you get 6 packs of hair, 20 strands in a pack. That's 120 strands. And comes in a bag like this. And they give you the crochet pin with it. It comes with these mini cuffs. It also comes with 2 pink clips. Cute. And a mirror. Small mirror. So today I'm going to install these cute crochet passion twist, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's get into this tutorial. I'm starting off obviously on blown out hair, and I'm just gonna show you how I do it with the 2 sections in the front. And I'm just gonna show you how I do it with the 2 sections in the front. I'll pull the rest of my hair back. All right, let's show you how this is done. First thing you do, you take your hook, open it up, you pass your hoop of the crochet into the hook, and then you close it like this. Then I pass the crochet pin along with the strand under the elastic band at the base of the scalp. Once the strand gets through, I pass the end of the strand through the loop of the hair and make a knot. Once the section is tightened, I'll use the Dark and Lovely jam to sleek my hair so it blends in nicely with the texture of the twists. Then I will unravel the twists, and then I will twist my hair in the same direction as the original twists. And that's the first method. Okay, so I have been wearing this hair for like a little over 2 weeks now, actually almost 3 weeks now, and I really wanted to come back and like give you a good review and what I really think about this hair. And I wanted to give you a few caveats on the method that I use to actually install this, so you know what you're into if you decide to do this method. So first thing, let's just talk about the hair. It is manufactured really great. It doesn't itch, at least I didn't have, like, sometimes when I wear hair like this, itches my scalp and it's really uncomfortable. I had no problems with itch. It is super light. I used like 3.5 packs, and it is so light. It doesn't feel heavy on my head at all. It is super light, and I really love this color. I like how it goes from like dark into like a lighter shade. It is super cute, super lightweight. I was planning on taking it out after 2 weeks, but obviously I'm still wearing it. And then, so that's about the hair. It's super great. I will put the link to the actual manufacturer or the actual seller down below so that you can go ahead and check them out. And I still have hair left behind, so if you did want to use more than 3.5 packs, you have 120 strands. You don't have to worry about that. And it's just great. Now let's talk about the method that I use. So I used the crochet rubber band method for this, and I did want to tell you that if you do decide to use that type of method, what the drawback is that the elastic or the rubber band, because of how small these are, so I'm not using the mega ones, these are small strands, you're going to see the elastic band. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So you can see the elastic bands here, and I decided to wear it with the elastic bands. You can decide to like cut the elastic bands out if you did decide to use the method that I used earlier. But I also have another method that I will show you in a while, where you don't have to use the crochet, and you just have to make a knot. I call it the knot method. And you don't need a crochet pin for that. But also you do need to know that using these two methods, it's not gonna be really tight. So if you did not want a lot of tension on your hair, then these two methods are great to use. If you did want it tight, and then you wanted your the roots to be super like sleek and tight, then this is probably not the method for you. But I just needed to let you know what you're getting into if you do use these two methods. So that's what I have to say about this, and you can go ahead and continue watching to see the other method, and I show you how I cut the rubber bands out if that's something that you were interested in doing. But that's all I have for you today, guys. I'm so glad that you decided to watch this video. So I hope you continue to see the second method, and I'm hoping to do another video or 2 more videos on how to do the crochet method with pre-made strands versus non-pre-made strands, and I will put that up and link it down in the description once I do make it live. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the second method. I tighten the section, then take the pre-made strand and wrap it around the elastic band. Then take the end of the strand and pass it through the loop, creating a knot at the base of the elastic band. Once that's done, I'm going to unravel the original twist, put my hair in 2 sections, and twist according to the direction of the original twists, therefore blending my hair in with the original hair. Now this method covers the elastic band better than the first method, but you can go a step further and use a pair of scissors to cut off the elastic band, but be sure to be careful you do not cut off your own hair.